Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft a crude bedroll in Hytale. The first thing I want you to do is find animals like sheeps and bears. And once you find these animals, I want you to go ahead and kill those animals. For example, we have a bear right here, and I'm going to start attacking it to kill the bear. And once you kill the bear, you will get hide. So you need two of those hides, as you can see, and you need some plant fibers. You need three of these. So you just come here and I want you to hit on these to get some plant fibers. And once you go ahead and get your plant fibers as well, I want you to just press tab on your keyboard to open up this pocket crafting menu. And then here you'll see crude bedroll. I want you to click on this. Then I want you to just click on craft. And as you can see, it has crafted one for me. I can go ahead and use this. And that is how to craft a crude bedroll in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out.